So for practice 2, it says classify each triangle in 2 ways. And the 2 ways it's giving us is you can either call it an isosceles triangle, an equilateral, or a scalene. And you also have to list it as a right angle, an obtuse angle, or an acute angle triangle. So first, we're going to look at number 1. I changed the numbers up just so it wouldn't be too easy for you guys. Alright, so the first one, we have 12, 12, and 12 for each of the sides. So we know that all sides are equal. And if we go ahead and look right at the classifications, we can see that an equilateral triangle is all sides are equal in length. So we know that first part, it's an equilateral. But now we have to look at the angles. So we know it's an equilateral, and we know that all sides are 12. But we have to look and see if it's a right angle, an obtuse angle, or acute angles. If all of these are equal, that means they all add up to 180. And there's only one way that they can all add up to 180 with all of them being equal. They all have to be 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is less than 90, therefore it's an acute angle. So let's look at number 2. We have 8 for one side, 12 for one side, and 11 for the other side. So if we look at the classifications, we know that this is a scalene triangle because none of the sides are equal at all. So we're going to go ahead and write S for scalene. And then we look at the angle inside, and the angle is 110 degrees. There's only one classification of the angles that's greater than 90 degrees. That's going to be an obtuse angle. So we're going to go ahead and write an O for obtuse.